If you had been trying very hard for a long time to earn more money, to save more money, to cut your expenses, and to get more passive income from your investment, but you are feeling you are really getting nowhere close to where you want to be, here is a story to demonstrate to you that effort is important, but experience and knowing where to direct that effort makes all the difference. Like all great story, it always starts with once upon a time in China, there was a man called Wang Fei Hong. Hey, wrong channel ah! Sorry. Once upon a time in a land far, far away, a giant ship's engine store docked lifeless at the port. The ship's owner, Prince Charming, engaged the help of Aladdin, Alibaba, Pinocchio, Shrek, Gingerbread Man, the Seven Dwarfs, Puss in Boots, and Goku. But none of them could figure out how to fix the stall engine. Frustrated after 2 weeks, in a last-ditch effort, they brought in Sinbad the sailor, who had been drinking, eating, and sleeping in ships since he was young. He carried a bag of tools with him, and when he arrived, he immediately got down and dirty, inspected the engine very carefully, top to bottom. No spots are left unchecked, no stones are unturned. After half a day, Sinbad reached into his bag and pulled the biggest hammer from his toolbox. With one mighty swoop, he banged on the spot. Instantly, the engine lurched back into life. Hooray! The engine was fixed. Prince Charming was delighted, and finally he can go dating with Cinderella again. A week later, Prince Charming received an invoice from Sinbad for $10,001. What? Even though Prince Charming was rich, he exclaimed, he hardly did anything. So they asked the palace messenger to deliver a message to Sinbad the sailor and to seek clarification. Please send us an itemized invoice. 2 days later, Sinbad sent an invoice that read, tapping with a hammer, $1. Knowing where to tap, $10,000. Now, it's like a lever. We learned this in physics. You can be using all your time and effort, but still not be able to move a huge rock. But with the right tool, a small effort can have big effects. It is more important to know what are the right tools and where to use the right tools instead of trying very hard without any progress. Einstein says, insanity is doing the same thing expecting a different result. You got to respect the guy who can do the job in 5 minutes because he spent the last 10 years perfecting his skill that make a 5 hours job can be done in 5 minutes with the exact same result. Be self-aware of your strength and weakness. Focus on your strength, earn good money from it, and then pay for other experts to help you with your weakness. Just ask Usain Bolt. Sometimes you just need a guy that can show you what are even the right tools to use in the first place, and of course, where to knock. In the area of personal finance, that could be a professional like Lieu, evident from the bucket loads of client testimonials that you can see over here, and the fact and being engaged by entities like KWSB, Maybank, PNB, and Malaysian Medical Association. Links in bio or in the description below. 人生有幾多十年呢? Money is not everything, but everything important in life that affects your well-being needs money. This is the next YouTube video that YouTube algorithm thinks you will find useful and to get ahead in life than your peers.